What is going on? Today we are going to be doing a little walkthrough of my new rack system. I purchased these through eTrailer.com, and they are the Thule Wingbar Evos, which means these are the type of bars that go from fat to small, just like you would see on an airplane wing. Do a little walkthrough here. I have this on my GMC Canyon. This was the only rack system I found that you didn't have to drill into your roof in order to have racks. What's really nice about these racks is that they have a 220-pound load capacity, which is pretty heavy. I'll show you how they bolt in. I mean, they don't really bolt in. They clip in. Right here, Thule manufactures these brackets that go exactly into the groove of the truck. Right here is a piece of weather stripping, and this ratchet, this goes into this piece here, clips into this like locking track mechanism right here above, and you just crank it down basically with a tool inside this cover. I also purchased the stainless steel locks so no one can steal my rack. Yeah, I think it turned out really nice. The width of the racks between the front here going to the front of this bar is 27.5 inches per Thule guidelines, and the width from the top of the truck here to the bracket is 11.75 inch. I also have on my J cradles. I got those from Walmart to carry my rack, my kayak. I only got one. I'm gonna sell this boat here, so I didn't want to get two. Here's the boxes that it came with. So this is the Thule Wingbar Evo 135 black. It has the cap that folds out. It has the T-bar system as well. Let me show you the cap part. So this cap here just folds up, and then you can slide in your T-bar slots right there. So that's pretty nice feature to have. And then these are the clamps that you had to get to go with it. There's a part number for you. So it's called an Evo clamp. This is the fit kit that fitted my truck for the Canyon. And here are the one key system 4-pack. So that's those little keys that you see right here. So didn't cut any corners. The entire rack system itself was about $750. But man, it's sweet. I don't hear any wind noise without the boats on there. It's super quiet. And if you think about what an airplane wing looks like, it's exactly like this. An airplane wing is wide up front and it goes small towards the back. And that's how the Swedish engineers thought about this design too, with the Thule rack system. So overall, really pleased with it. We'll see how it performs, but right now, I'm very happy with the clearance of it off the hood of the truck. I still have my cab lights that are easily seeable on the top of the hood. See if I can get those turned on for you real quick, because that is a pretty cool look. Yeah. So yeah, as I'm coming down the road, that's the look. Got the cab lights. The idea then is to put this canoe right there where that small Jackson is. I'm going to remove that and put the canoe right there, and we've already done it. I'll see if I can put a picture in this video, and it fits just perfectly. So we're gonna have a long canoe come on the left side, and then my Jackson and the J cradle on the right. But yeah, overall I'm pretty pleased with it. Looks awesome. The install was pretty decent once we figured out how to do it. There's a little view of the truck from the front with the light bar going up, how to look. But yeah, the install was pretty simple. There was a couple things that we had to figure out, but once we figured it out, it worked well. One of those things I guess I should elaborate is this stripping here. It actually it comes in one piece, but you need to tear it in half, and then it'll go into the railing just fine. Also, don't try to slide it into the railing. It just pushes down and clips into the railing. So that's one thing that we learned. Another thing too is that these rubber pieces right here, This is that's the fit kit that goes specifically for your truck, and it curves to the angle of your hood. And if those feet aren't in the right position, as in front left, back left, you know, front right, back right, if those feet are in wrong positions, then the bar won't clamp down properly. The instructions do come with that though, so just read the instructions and you'll figure it out. But yeah, overall, really pleased with them. They look sharp. I've got a lot of compliments already on it. I mean, Thule's expensive, but it's quality product. They stand behind their name. So I like quality things, and I think it turned out really good, and I'm getting use out of it already. All right, thanks so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions. Take care.